In the construction sector, purchases made and contracts signed are often based on reputation alone. Branding is key, and with everyone spending more and more time online, and especially on social media, every business should consider themselves part of the media industry, or risk limiting their own potential for growth. There's no shortage of digital tools available to create content for communicating with and educating potential customers. Some of these are free to use, whereas others require paid subscriptions, or can be bought upfront for a one-time cost. Most people are capable of learning the skills necessary to keep an active online presence. But this is a never-ending job. Employing IT specialists, videographers, copywriters, social media managers, and other content creators is increasingly common in the construction sector for a reason. This can be on a casual, part-time, or full-time basis, depending on your budget, business needs, and the talent available. Setting up a company website can be accomplished on your own or by a professional IT service. To see if a domain name is available for your business, head to business.govt.nz ONECheck and use the ONECheck tool. Websites should allow potential customers and clients to review all relevant information on the services and products your business can provide. Much like construction equipment, they require maintenance. A broken link or glitch can scare off customers and send them to competitors. Short videos are often the best way to display your products and services. These can include how-to guides, demonstrations, testimonials, as well as more traditional advertisements. Both photos and videos should be captured in 1080p resolution or higher, and with an understanding of aesthetic composition. Look up the rule of thirds if the term is unfamiliar. Presenting to a camera is a soft skill that few people are born with, but one that can be improved through practice and training. It's easy to film a video of your business in action, but it's much harder to make a video that both engages potential customers and addresses their questions and concerns. Search engine optimization, or SEO, means tailoring written copy so that search engines like Google will list your site page higher up in relevant search results. You don't want to be on page 2. As Google constantly updates its algorithms, so too does SEO best practice. But copy should never read like it was written more for Google's algorithms than for actual human beings. SEO creates visibility, but only quality content will keep readers interested. To be competitive, your company should have its own email and website, which is mobile-friendly or has an alternate mobile-friendly version. You should also consider a Facebook business and LinkedIn page, and an Instagram account. If you're using a variety of platforms, make sure they are updated regularly and ensure your contact details are easy to find. All content should be to the point, honest, and relevant to your business. A solid brand evokes competence, positivity, and trust. So be transparent about issues and trade-offs customers might encounter with your products or services, as well as what they can expect from competitors, and let them know what areas are outside of your expertise. Social media is open to unhappy customers, scammers, and bad faith trolls. Some amount of moderation is recommended, but disabling comments altogether is a surefire way to sow distrust with viewers. Educate yourself. Research what your customers are looking for, and, if in doubt, mimic brands that you know and respect. Beware of market research based on surveys or questionnaires. Responses to these are universally biased and can lead you astray. As Henry Ford put it, if I had asked people what they wanted, they would have said faster horses. Focus on quantitative indicators of success, especially the numbers of sales, orders, or contracts won. You can't manage what you don't measure. Analytical tools are available on Google, YouTube, and Facebook. Use them. Keep tabs on comments, views, likes, and new subscribers. But remember, these are not accepted at the bank. A sense of humor and a personality can go a long way towards building a brand. But remember who your customers are. A video of an excavator operator using his digger for water skiing might be very popular on YouTube, but is unlikely to assure clients that health and safety standards will be rigorously followed. Think broadly and be the change you want to see in the world. Remember, marketing is applied psychology. We humans have our quirks, and something as simple as the color or font of a logo can either attract or repel customers. If you still have questions on how to present your business online, get in touch with the team at Digital Boost. Ka kite ana.